today's topic of learning is les adjectifs démonstratifs. This is in continuation of the previous lesson we did about les adjectifs possessives. So I hope you remember what adjectives are. Adjectives are the words that qualify the noun. So today we are learning adjective which will demonstrate the noun. So in English, for demonstration, we use this, that, these, or those. So these are adjective demonstrative in English. This, that, these, those. This demonstrate. For example, this boy. So we are talking about the specific boy, and demonstrating that we are talking about this boy or this book. Okay, so similarly, the options for les adjectifs démonstratifs in French are also four, fortunately. So not much confusing. So it is ce, 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 cet, 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 and then again C-E-double-T-E, again pronounced as set, and then we have say. Now how do we use that? We are going to discuss this today. This ce is used for the nouns that are masculine, okay, and that are singular. So masculine singular nouns, we will use ce. Cet again is used for masculine singular. Now what is the difference between ce and cet? Okay, so masculine singular, but here the cet is used for the nouns that start with a vowel. Masculine singular nouns starting with a vowel or silent H. So let us first learn these two with or with silent H. Okay, let us learn these two first. Okay, and then we can move to the rest too. Okay, so we learn with the example. For example, I hope you know this word by now, livre. As you know, in French we have, all words we have to learn with genders. Okay, so livre is a book which is masculine, so we use ce livre, which means this book. Okay, then garçon is a boy. Okay, so again we use ce garçon. Okay, now we take few examples of cet. Avion means an airplane. Okay, avion. Now as this starts with a vowel, we don't use ce avion. This becomes cet avion. There is a liaison here, cet avion. I hope by now you are getting this hack of it, that this French people, they have a problem with the vowel clash. Another example we can take here is of homme. Homme means a man, and here it is starting with a silent H, so we use cet homme. So for masculine singular nouns which are starting with a vowel or a silent H, we'll use cet in place of ce. The rest of the masculine singular nouns will go with ce. Okay, now let us take the other two. That was C-E-double-T-E, again pronounced as set. Here, this is used for feminine singular nouns. Feminine singular nouns. Okay. So now let us take examples of this. Robe. Robe means a dress, okay, and robe is feminine. So if we want to say this dress, we use cette robe. Okay, and I give you more examples. Étudiante. Étudiante means a student, and this is a female student, so we use CETTE. Okay, here I want to clarify one thing that is important. If it had been étudiant and not étudiante, okay, if it had been étudiant, that means a male student, then you will use CET only, okay, though both are starting with a vowel, okay, but you don't have to get confused. If it is masculine, then only you will use CET. If it is feminine, then it goes with CETT only. I hope this is clear. Okay, now we go to the last one. And the last one we are doing is CES, that is say. Okay, and this is used for masculine and feminine plural nouns. Masculine and feminine plurals. So if it is plural, then you need not think, you just put CES. Okay, so if it had been robe with an S, that means this is plural, you'll use ses robe. Okay, and if it is étudiante with an S, which makes it plural, students, so if it is female plural students, you use say, and if it is even masculine, étudiant with an S, then also you'll use say, étudiante. These means these dresses or those dresses, these students or those students. And now few important things, just to sum this lesson up. So what we learned, we have 4 adjective demonstrative, that is CE and CET, which are used for masculines, okay, and set for feminine and say for plural, okay. And one more important thing, the demonstrative adjective must be repeated. The demonstrative adjective must be repeated before each noun. What I mean by this is, if you are using 2 nouns, for example, livre et cahier. Cahier means a notebook. So if you have to use the demonstrative adjective before these, if you have to use these 2 nouns together, you will be using demonstrative adjective. You will be repeating it. Ce livre et ce cahier. You get my point? So with this, we sum up our lesson today. Hope you understand.